In primetime news this evening, underwater. Northern Parish is devastated after hours of heavy rainfall. Taxi terror. Rogue driver in viral police chase video charged. And unapologetic. Police commissioner blasts SOE critics. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Now also this evening, there's the business day, primetime sports, sports commentary, e-prime, and weather. But before all that, here is our feedback question. This evening's question: in light of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, are you satisfied with the sanitization practices of businesses? You can provide details provide details of your experience. Provide those details online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or you can tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.